Hello everybody, welcome to another Pack a Day video. Today we're going to start opening up this Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection trading card box that I got from Walmart. So I haven't opened these at all. I played a little bit of WoW when I was younger. I played a little bit of Diablos here and there up until the most recent. Played some Overwatch. So I am a little familiar with some characters, but not too much. If you want to pause, this is all the things you can get. I was going to look up a checklist, and I totally forgot until now, so let's just dive in and be surprised. I'm just going to open one pack, like normal, and you'll see the rest of the packs, which are out of 7 packs. So you'll see the rest of them throughout. Upside down, but it's okay. We're gonna go in the middle. We got a Sojourn on the cover. So collect the Horde and Molten Core parallels. Alright. That actually sounds pretty cool. Alright, so that's from Heroes of the Storm, etc. Then we got, this is from, that's Heroes of the Storm as well. Alright. So I'm just gonna mind my business. That's a cool card. Hearthstone, Lunara. Oh, nice. Got Hearthstone, Gul'dan. I'm assuming he's a necromancer. Oh, sweet. We got a red. I'm just going to guess this is a red Genji. Red parallel, something along those lines. That's pretty cool. Let me go with sleeve. Well, hey, at least I recognize the Overwatch one. Oh no, where are my sleeves? There they are. Oh man, I got 30 more seconds before this is not a YouTube short. Then we got Archimond from WoW, World of Warcraft. Sylvanas Windrunner, again, World of Warcraft. And Sadea from Diablo. So, thank you for watching. I only got 10 seconds, so don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and follow TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or check out my eBay. Peace out, guys.